Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a mood or vision board in Canva. And here's how it is done. First step is gathering your inspiration scour platforms like Google Images or Pinterest for photographs. It could be pictures, quotes, captivating artwork, or personal screenshots for a seamless and aesthetically pleasing board. Select a color palette and ensure most of your images resonate with the emotions you want to convey. Save these images in a dedicated folder for seamless access. Go to canva.com and click Create a Design on the top right. Considering a device wallpaper, simply type wallpaper in the search bar and select the upgrade option, be it for desktop or phone. Name your project for easy reference. Use the Uploads option on the left sidebar. Click on Upload and select your pre-chosen images with every image uploaded. A mirror click lets you place it on your canvas. The flexibility of Canva allows you to adjust the size, positioning, and even layering. Just right-click to move layers forward or backward. After you have positioned and layered to your heart's content, click Download located in the top right corner. A subsequent click on the following pop-ups download button will save your creation to your device. Your mood board is now ready. Use it as wallpaper, print it, share it, or repurpose. That is everything you need to know about how to make a mood or vision board in Canva. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.